The Braintrust AI proxy offers a unified way to access the world's leading AI models through a single API. Anything that can be built over a weekend can be replicated. This will create competition, and with no defensibility and no differentiation, there will be no profits. Pika Labs has raised $55 million to push its generative video platform further. The platform recently announced a major product upgrade that includes a new AI model capable of generating and editing videos in diverse styles and a new web experience. Pika's roughly 500,000 users have generated millions of videos per week, despite Pika being in pre-release for the last 6 months. Google, in a partnership with startup Fervo, has built a new kind of geothermal project that will help power Google's data centers with clean energy. Fervo has developed a new technology for harnessing geothermal power. The project has the capacity to generate 3.5 megawatts, enough to meet the demand of roughly 750 homes. Google plans to run on carbon pollution-free electricity around the clock by 2030. The FDA is fast-tracking approval for a drug intended to extend the life expectancy of large dog breeds. Loyal, the company that makes the drug, which currently goes by Loy001, has not shared specifics about the drug for proprietary reasons. The drug reduces a growth-promoting hormone that is believed to be the reason larger dogs have much shorter lifespans than smaller breeds. The fast-tracked approval will make the drug available on the market by 2026. Amazon Web Services Re-Invent event kicks off today from Las Vegas. This page delivers the biggest stories from the event as they are announced in an easy-to-digest list. The biggest announcement so far was Amazon Q, an AI-powered chatbot for AWS customers. Q is trained on 17 years' worth of AWS knowledge and can go beyond just answering questions. It can suggest AWS solutions and products for apps. Process Compose is a simple and flexible scheduler and orchestrator for managing non-containerized applications. It processes execution, dependencies, and recovery policies and features per process and global environment variables, health checks, terminal user interface or command line modes, forking processes, and much more. Process Compose is heavily inspired by Docker Compose but without the need for containers. This article presents a structure for strategic planning based on the traditional fairytale structure with practical examples. The traditional fairytale structure fits naturally in our brains. It can be used to guide strategic problem analysis and create a plan that everyone understands. The process involves defining objectives, obstacles, actions, measures, and things to not do. Every company needs a clear plan, otherwise, they might not be working on the right things or communicating what must be done in a way that everyone can understand and implement. The Tesla Cybertruck looks like nothing else on the road. The photos and videos that have been released so far don't really do it justice. This article presents a close-up look at the Cybertruck. The article contains many pictures of the vehicle along with detailed descriptions of the quality of its build. The build quality appears to be vastly better than previously thought. Meme domains are now available to register as part of an early access period for an additional one-time fee. It will be publicly available without the fee on December 5 at 4 p.m. Coordinated Universal Time. The readability, consistency, and quality of documents Typst creates is leagues above what Obsidian, LaTeX does. All scripts should start with a character as a prefix that doesn't have any special meaning in the shell environment, so when you hit the prefix character and hit tab, only your custom scripts should appear and nothing else. Foxconn has been investing heavily in its iPhone factory in Sungavarchatram, India, but it has struggled to replicate the cutthroat efficiency it is known for.